What's up, everybody? Sal back here at it again. Nice brisk morning out here in the middle of the dead south. Wonderful day to get stuff done. Walking one of my dogs out here as he's barking at everybody across the town. But markets have been a little crazy, and I wanted to kind of talk about the people are anticipating the Fed is going to start pulling back. I think what happened might have been is that people forgot that. Will you be quiet there? You be quiet, Max. People forgot that after all this pandemic, there's a lot of people that wanted to start their own business, start doing their own things, kind of deal, and that kind of changed the dynamic of the workplace. I mean, everybody was striving for, I'm trying to be an entrepreneur and a CEO. It's like, well, I own a couple companies, but I'm not even. It's like you don't have a CEO title until you got like 10,000 people working for you, or something like that. It's like we don't even have that much. We're barely getting to where we're at. So, but with what I was saying is that with so many people opting out of traditional work and then they're going into freelance, trying to make their own business happen. But it was more like make their own business because I think I was going to become fabulously rich at it. And what happened was, after the last 2 years, is a lot of people realized this shit is hard. It's hard running your own business. It sucks. I mean, I'm at the point now, it's like I need a vacation, but you can't take a vacation because you can't let the business fall. So you just got to keep working. And you can't take a day off. You can't do anything. Just got to keep working at it. And that's where I think people fell through. So now, end of this year, beginning of next year is going to be the time where people are going to start coming back to work. They're just going to start coming in droves. I keep telling people this. People are going to try and act like nothing happened. Now, I do think that we were in a recession. We were in the beginning of this year, but I don't think we are in that bad of a recession. I think we're starting to come out of it. I own a moving company. I do logistics. There is a crap ton of goods being shipped everywhere, left and right. We're talking dry goods alone, like 400 to 500 loads down in Houston that need to go out that no one's taking. So you have to keep that in effect. How I monitor the recession is I look at how many trucks are on the road. If I don't see a lot of trucks on the road, then I know that we're in a recession. If I see a lot of trucks, we're not in a recession. I mean, we might be in a little bit of a recession, slowdown, but it isn't like a whole economic stop. Now, with the things going on with Deutsche Bank and the other bank and Evergreen, that might cause another slowdown. But then once again, it's just kind of like, the people who are over leveraged are going to get liquidated, and that includes companies. And people always think, well, that Deutsche Bank has 1.3 trillion of assets under management. They don't disappear; they just go someplace else. Kind of like Lehman Brothers. I think maybe a year or two ago, they finally got done with bankruptcy and their liquidation, and everybody made out on it. So people actually made money off that bankruptcy. So it's hard to say. I mean, that will hurt. But overall, it's like the housing market overall, even though it's trending downwards, there's still a huge group of people who are just waiting for the right time. And that's people between 25 and 40. They're waiting for that perfect time to buy a house, waiting, and they're trying to time the market. And if the market dips low enough, what's going to happen is we're going to have, like, within a month, an instant recovery. So if you're looking to get property, just like me, I'm waiting for that dip, but at the same time, I'm not trying to buy a high-end property. But for myself, I'm trying to buy a nice property. So I'm waiting for that dip. I'm just waiting. And I'm not anticipating it for 2 years, but you know, the way the market's going, the way everything's going, it might happen. But if the Fed is tapering off, I think if they're going to start slowing down the rate hikes and everything, I think we're going to be in a good position. If you're holding stocks and banks, I would still hold Bank of America and stuff. They're still going to be around. They're still going to be around. I'd just keep buying more. Ford, I'd keep buying more of, because that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to keep buying that. And my crypto, I'm still buying into XRP, Quant, HBAR, DOT, Atom. I'm not buying Ethereum, but I am buying Bitcoin. I just dollar cost average into it every day, just a little bit. I take whatever profits I have from the other coins and shift it into Bitcoin, if there is any. And of course, you know, I'm stacking Crow because I just want to see if I can get that credit card. So, but with that said, guys, you know, that's how things roll. You know, the markets are always going to be unpredictable. That's why you know, only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't invest more than what you're comfortable with, and always invest in things and projects and companies that you understand. Don't invest in crypto because of the hype. Invest in crypto because you know certain projects are going to work. So, like, for me, if I lose all my crypto accounts, it don't matter. I mean, it'll suck. I'll be disappointed with myself, but overall, it won't affect me. I still have other assets and avenues of income, so that's just how it's going to be. With that said, guys, stay safe out there. Like and subscribe. Help me out. Help a brother out. Get me up there. I'm trying to get to 100 souls. So, you know, 100 people involved, and I'll start maybe doing some other fun stuff. With that said, see you guys later. Enjoy the day. Enjoy life. Stick to your game plan and respect the process.